I was quoted $32K to replace my old deck, and I just finished. It's been 43 days, and I'm so excited to get to this photo. Day one, this is where I started, just me, myself, and my delusions. I'd never done anything like this before, but I'm so proud of the results. First things first, because I'm being wow.
I know.
We got one to come out on deck. We're gonna put it in his middle.
Okay. I'm going to feed.
Off. And now we have to get the rest of it.
Oh my God. Okay. Oh, I know your thing. No running, no running. No running. Hello. Hey guys. How are you?
Gang's all here, so now you get the full tour of my deck. I filmed it yesterday, and thank you so much for getting decked with me.